Next step is you got to make fins, so I'm just going to cut them out really rough here. I've got 3 fins. You use this material for the fins. Fins have to be rigid, so that's up to you. You're the rocket scientist, you design your fin. Now, we want to attach our nose cone to the body tube. This nose cone is not aerodynamically sound because it's too fat at the bottom, so we're going to trim it. Now, you have to decide how much you want to trim. You have to be very careful that when you trim it, that the base of the nose cone fits over the body tube, like this, okay? If you cut it too small, it's not going to fit over. Now we're going to put plastic in there. The plastic serves 3 purposes. Number 1, it obviously it attaches a nose cone to the body tube. Number 2, it creates an airtight seal between the rocket and the launch rod, or the launch tube. And number 3, it adds ballast. You need to have weight in the top of this thing in order to give it inertia to push through the air. You push it in like that before it cools, before it hardens, and there you have your nose cone attached. Again, it's very important that when you do this, that you fill up that entire nose cone with hot glue, because if you don't, then you're going to have a leak. It's not going to be attached properly, and also you won't have enough weight to give this thing inertia or momentum as it moves through the air. Now the last thing you have to do is apply the fins, so I'm just going to put a bead of glue down here, and I'm just going with the 3-fin configuration because this is a demo and I don't want to waste your time. So you just hold it in place there. The hot glue dries very fast. Now the key when using hot glue is this will burn you. This will burn you. This is not like low temp glue. This is hot, very hot. You can suffer a serious burn if this gets on your skin. Let one of the teachers know immediately if you get burned. You have to be careful using this. If through negligence you burn one of your fellow classmates, you're in serious trouble. If you do it on purpose, or if the act is malicious, you're out of here. You're not going to be in this class or this school. So you need to be extremely careful when using this. This is a gun. It generates a lot of heat, and you need to treat it with a lot of respect and be careful around your fellow classmates. And obviously, don't get any plastic on your hands because this will burn you severely.